What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with Instagram between $100 to $300, and that's actually on the low end. You could actually start making a lot more once you actually start implementing the actual things that I'm going to show you here. Start growing your Instagram account, start making some more money a day, a week, a month, whatever the case is, right? All right. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is David G. I talk about affiliate marketing, talk about different ways to make money online, passive income, online businesses. All right, guys? So if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe here, hit that bell so you can get notified when I do post new videos on here. And I talk about, as far as like I was saying, just making money online, right? Today we're going to be making money. I'm going to show you how you can start making money through Instagram. All right, posting basic pictures. You don't even have to show your face. For all you people that don't like to get in front of the camera or is a little shy, whatever the case is, you can start making money by not even posting yourself, recording yourself, posting pictures of yourself. I'm going to show you how you can start making money here on Instagram. Let's jump into my computer right here, and you can see that this is actually my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and go over to Instagram, all right? So this is just my basic profile. I don't do a lot on Instagram. You can kind of see I only got 342 followers, pretty much a baby channel here. But what I do have is I have up here on the top, I have like, basic name, what I talk about, and then I also have a link, okay? Keep that in mind for right now. What we're gonna be talking about is we're gonna be talking about keto, okay? So this is gonna be a health and fitness, and why I picked this is because this is actually one of the biggest areas that you can actually start making money, right? There's 3 different areas that you can start making money, which is gonna be health, wealth, and relationship, okay? Health, which is gonna be the keto diet. I'm gonna pick keto recipes here. Health, everybody wants to lose weight, everybody wants to look good, whatever the case is. Wealth, everybody wants to make extra cash, how to make money online, whatever the case is, that's where I'm at. And then of course, relationships, right? People want to start learning how to get girlfriends, they want to know what to do and get married, have babies, whatever the case is, right? Those 3 areas. Today we're gonna be talking about keto, health, section, okay? So on this Instagram page right here, you see that they have 1 million followers, all right? And as you can kind of see, just in the front, on the top, you can kind of see, just a basic intro, health, beauty, differences, and then they also have a link here, okay? Down here, you kind of see that they actually post nothing but pictures of like food, right? Keto, dieting. They don't have pictures of faces, all right? Maybe this is probably somebody else or whatever, but for the most part, they have literally nothing but pictures of like food, right? And as you start growing your actual Instagram, you're gonna start seeing that there's gonna be a lot more people that are gonna be joining in your group. They're gonna start trusting you. They're gonna start seeing. It's like, okay, cool. These are cool recipes. On the top here, you kind of see there's gonna be a link. Okay, click link below. This link is going to be sent over to what is called an actual funnel page, a sales page, right? So you have different choices, okay? Want a keto meal plan? Click here, or you want the 28-day change, okay? We're gonna click on the second one. Once we click on the second one, this is a custom keto diet. Now, I know this is actually an affiliate link because for one, I've actually done this before. I've seen their page, and I've actually got their products and everything in the back end, okay? So of course, you're gonna click either the play, get the diet, or whatever the case is. This is actually an affiliate link here. Okay, this is going to be their link, and I could actually show you by going to ClickBank. So once you go into ClickBank, if you guys are new to ClickBank or don't know how to register, I do have another video on how you can register, how to open it up, kind of navigate through that whole area. I'll go ahead and put it up here on this card so you can kind of see. We're going to go into Marketplace. Okay, once you get into the Marketplace, these are all the different sections that you could actually promote. We're going to go into the health and fitness since we're actually looking for the keto diet, and I always like to rank it through gravity. Okay. And gravity, you kind of see here it is, custom keto view mobile diet. So every time on average, you can kind of see here the $47.10 and 12 cents. Every time somebody makes a purchase, like we are doing here, people like this group, they like this page, they like the food, they want to get healthy, they want to see the meal plans. So click on the link, go to the keto diet, and when somebody purchases, the affiliate, whoever actually made this, gets an average of $47. So if I click on this link right here, boom, it's the same. The custom keto diet, it's the same page as what they were promoting up here on this actual link, okay? Simple and said and done. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. The more you actually put work and effort into your page, for example, you start growing it, more people, this one has 1 million followers, so I'm sure it's got thousands and thousands of pictures, of posts, whatever, they've worked on it for a long time and whatever the case is, right? Check it out. Let's go ahead and go to another keto meal recipes. Okay, pretty sure, I'm positive that this is gonna be almost the same, if not close. Look at this. See that? The custom keto right here. Boom. So once again, different pictures of different foods. People like it. They want to get healthy. They click on the link. And now you have different choices, right? So what do we do? The custom keto 28 days. So they have the keto 28 days, and boom, it's the same link. So you kind of see this is all what affiliate marketing is. You pretty much just promote a product, right? So you're going to ClickBank, you're picking out a product, making sure it's actually a good product. You promote it on your social media websites like they do right here. This one has 1.2 million followers, okay? Promote it, people go through it, and if they go and they buy a product or that custom keto diet, you earn a commission, an average of $47 per person, right? That's an average. Now, just imagine if you had 10 people a month, right? I don't know how to do math right now, but that's, I don't want to say 4,700, right? $470, $500, something like that, right? It's going to give you, you're going to have a good amount of change just by doing a little bit of work in the beginning. Now, you're pretty much just kind of setting stuff up. You're putting your landing page, you're setting pictures, but the biggest thing on this is you're being consistent, right? You're coming back to your page every day to post, to engage, get more followers, get more people. People are going to start trusting you. They're going to like what you post, right? And then they're going to start actually looking into your links, all right? This is basically what it is. This is how you can start making money on Instagram between, I was saying in the beginning, like $100 through $300. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to be making that in the first couple days, weeks, whatever, right? It is going to take time for you to build, but the faster you build, the faster you put more work and effort into your page. For example, in this Instagram here, the faster that you'll start getting more people and, of course, having sales, okay? This is affiliate marketing. Now, it doesn't always have to be health. Well, for example, let's go to my page. So I have a little baby page, but I pretty much do the same thing on my Instagram, okay? I talk about how to make money online, learn to make money online, okay? Click on my link. Here's my link, and then I have different sections, right? If you want to go through the 15-day builder challenge, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube so you can see more videos as far as how to make money online, for example, Instagram, how to make money on Instagram like we're doing right now, right? Or you could also join my private Facebook group where I talk about, engage, kind of teach you guys stuff about what I know as far as how to make money online, right? Now, if you go through the 15-day business challenge, obviously you buy through that course, I get a commission from that, right? That is affiliate marketing. That is basically all you do, okay? I post some posts, but as I said, I have a baby Instagram. I don't really post on Instagram. I do have one, but I just don't post on it. But that's basically all it is, okay? Now, you could also pick different sections from, doesn't have to be this keto diet, right? Look at all these other different sections. This guy, the Godzilla, offers on average $110, okay? 49, 110, 109, 134. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the health section. It could be education, employment, games. If you're into gaming, home and garden, woodworking, whatever the case is, there's different sections that you can promote. The biggest thing is for you to be consistent in that section, master it, continue to post content daily, because that's actually where a lot of people actually mess up. In the beginning, day 1, day 2, day 3, they're pumped, they're hyped. Hey, I want to start making money online. I want to wake up to making money, right? Having emails saying that I make commissions, right? That's all said and done. But the thing is, a lot of people do quit after the first month, right? This is too much. I don't like this. I'd rather just be lazy, whatever the case is, right? The biggest thing is for you to come up every day, put in work. That's either doing some emails, posting some content, posting some videos, whatever the case is. As long as you go and be consistent, start putting work into it, you will start seeing results, okay? This where did I see? 1.2 million followers. This was not built in a day, right? They actually obviously put in work. They put in work, and it's probably taken them months, years. I don't know how long it took them, right? But it did take them some time. But look at them now, 1.2 million followers. And when you start getting that big, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, they're all connected. They're going to start seeing that you're a big group. that a lot of people are engaging, and they're going to help promote your channel or your group, your page to other people. And now you're starting to get free traffic, free leads into your channel, right? Once you start getting that bigger. So it's all that snowball effect. In the beginning, it is going to take time. It is going to be a little slow. And then as you start getting bigger and bigger, and gradually you're going to have more help, and it's going to be a lot easier. And before you know it, you're going to start making 10 grand a month. Okay. Now, if you guys do want to learn how to start making money by affiliate marketing, you can definitely check out the link down in the description. There is what I promote, the 15-day challenge, as you guys kind of saw. And a disclaimer, if you guys go through my link, I will get a commission off that. But once you go through that link in that training, you're going to start learning how to do this. You're going to start learning how it's all done. Look at how simple this is, right? It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Now, there are a little bit more tricks and gears and stuff in the middle. For example, collecting emails, right? You don't want to just send them in the beginning. It's okay to send them straight to the affiliate page, but as you start getting bigger, you want to start growing, you want to start collecting emails, right? There's a reason to collect them. That should be your number one priority, to grow your email list. And we'll explain about that in another video. This is just basically showing you how Instagram works and all that stuff. Okay, so as I was saying, there is a link down in the description. If you want to start learning, you want to start making money online, there will be a link in the description, so you can go through that process, get the same training that I did, and then of course, go start being on your way. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have for you, how to make money online with Instagram as being an affiliate. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel here. It really helps out with the algorithm, really helps out with this channel. Also, hit that bell if you haven't, so you can start getting notified when I do post content like this, so you can be notified when I do post it. Other than that, write in the descriptions down here that you're in, that you subscribe down to the channel, so I know I get to everybody. So write down here. If you have any questions, anything, let me know. Until then, I'll see you guys on to the next one, guys. Lates.